Welcome back. So in this tutorial we are going to understand list. So in the for loop tutorial we have already used the list once. If you remember, I used a variable item, and in that I have stored few things, and after that I used it in for loop. List is the collection of strings or integer or float, and we use it to arrange data for Python. Okay, and we can access it using various commands such as slice, as we have used in the string also, append, insert, remove, and there are many commands. So to understand these in detail, we'll switch to the Python console and we'll explore it further. So first thing we are going to do slicing with this. Okay, so if I consider another variable y is equal to item, so I'll print only first two items. Okay, so 0 and then 2. So 0, so the range is up to 1. 0 and 1, it will print 0 and 1. Okay, so print y. Yes, food and veg, first two element is printing. Next I'm gonna append this list. So I'm going to append this with rice. Okay, and now if I print item, it should give me the appended list. Yes, and there is one more option, we have insert. So what will insert do? So with insert we can give the index number, and on that particular point we can put that new item. So let's see. So here I'm giving the index. So first, so at this point I want to insert this, and what I want to insert, chips. Putting chips at the first position, I'm going to print it again so that I can see the updated item list. So let me run this. So above one is the earlier list, and this one is the updated one. So chips is at the first position. So insert is working fine. So for remove, I'll use remove here, and I simply give the item name. So I want to remove chips. Okay, or I want to remove, say, veg. Now, so this is the earlier list, and here I have removed veg. So by using pop command also I can remove. After that I am supposed to give the index. Suppose I want to remove the item at first place. Okay, at or I should say 0th place. So food will get removed. So you can see in the updated list. So if you want to remove by index, you can use pop function. So I can try a sort function also here. So for that, item dot sort. And now if I want to print the updated item list, so it should be in some order. As the first letter for each string, it has been sorted. So similarly, list also have many more operations, but we'll limit ourselves to these operations only. You can further explore it in much depth. So for that, I'll also link few material in the description. You can check it out. And thank you.